Sometimes your Hypervolt might lose connection or it might show an error. It's rare, but let's start talking about fixing it. First thing to do is to check your charger's LED indicator. Solid green obviously means healthy. Blinking means it's searching for a connection, and red obviously means that there's a problem. In the app, go to My Device in the settings. You'll see connection status, firmware version, and any error codes that might be getting spat out by the charger. Hypervolt usually tells you exactly what that problem is. Here's the fix that works 90% of the time. Restart the app, then restart the charger by flipping the isolator switch and leave it off for 10 seconds. Then stick it back on. Power cycle. It resets the connection, and then usually 9 times out of 10, things come back on. If that doesn't work, make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong near the charger. Make sure your charger has adequate power, and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled during the initial setup. If you need real help, there is a support or contact us button within the app. Hypervolt support team actually responds within 24 hours. They're helpful and they know the product inside out, so they will be able to help you.